Why should you watch this video? Because somewhere inside you, your mind yearns for stillness. It wants to hear itself think, longs to see beyond the chatter of thoughts. And today, I'm going to show you 7 simple habits to awaken your mind. The monk's way of living fully present, the habit of morning silence. Imagine starting your day with the sound of birdsong or the rustling of leaves instead of jarring alarms or the buzz of notifications. This influx of digital noise can fragment our attention and make it challenging to stay focused on the task at hand. But what if we infuse this daily ritual with mindfulness and gratitude? We fill our lives with commitments until there's little room for what truly matters. In the tapestry of our lives, nature is the golden thread that connects us to the rhythm of the earth. The habit of connecting with nature, whether through daily walks in the park, gardening, or simply sitting by a tree, is not just a pastime. It opens slowly like a flower to the sun, petal by petal, moment by moment. Each habit is a petal unfolding, and one day you realize you are no longer asleep in your own life. You are here, awake, and that is enough. Thank you for walking this mindful path with us. May these habits resonate with your soul. So, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos that will help you awaken your true self. Till then, may your days be filled with awareness and your life with purpose. Namaste. It's a profound way of living. Nature is a mirror to the soul. When the mind is loud, take a walk among the trees. In the words of John O'Donohue, anyone who has spent any time watching the play of clouds across the sky or the ceaseless flux of the sea knows very well there is no greater power than simplicity. Nature isn't just beautiful, it's therapeutic, grounds us, allowing us to release built-up tensions and reconnect with our surroundings. In the stillness of natural landscapes, we have the opportunity to reflect, to listen to the wind or the flowing water, allowing our minds to find a sense of calm amidst the chaos of daily life. Peace is found not in more, but in the protective embrace of boundaries. Boundaries are not barriers. They are bridges to what is essential. The habit of saying no allows you to safeguard your inner sanctum, ensuring that it remains a place of solace and strength. You might think that saying no makes you cold or unkind, but you'd be wrong. Listen to how monks approach it. Their days are filled with rituals and activities, yet they still manage to carve out moments of solitude. They say no to some requests so they can say yes to their inner rhythm. Start small. Say no to one unnecessary thing today. Notice how much more space it creates. Picture this. It's mealtime. Instead of mechanically serving and eating, pause for a moment. Look at the food on your plate. Notice its colors, textures, and aromas. Think about it. Our words are powerful. It can uplift or tear down, inspire or discourage, connect or harm. But in the busyness of life, we often resort to idle chatter or thoughtless retorts without realizing the impact they can have. Wouldn't it be transformative if we made a conscious choice about the words we utter? This is a habit monks have long embraced. Before speaking, they pause and reflect on 3 questions. Is what I'm about to say true? Is it kind and is it necessary? These questions serve as a filter, ensuring that only words that are truthful, compassionate, and meaningful find their way to the lips. By doing so, we enrich our interactions, making them more authentic, empathetic, and purposeful. Remember, true wisdom begins with the words we choose to speak and to keep within. Reflect on the hands that prepared it and the earth that nourished its ingredients. Express gratitude for each bite. This simple act of mindfulness transforms eating from a mundane task into a spiritual experience. In the timeless words of Thich Nhat Hanh, when we eat, we must pay attention to what we are doing. Only when we pay attention do the food and the eating become meaningful. The solution lies in something counterintuitive: digital fasting. You might wonder, is it really necessary to disconnect in an era where technology is so deeply ingrained in our lives? Absolutely. Just as we need breaks from physical exertion and mental tasks, our minds require respite from the constant stimulation of digital devices. We live in a culture of immediacy, where notifications vie for our attention every minute of the day. This constant distraction can train our minds to become scattered and reactive, rather than focused and intentional. But when we unplug, beautiful things happen. Our minds, free from the digital clutter, can wander and explore. Creativity blossoms, and we find ourselves thinking deeply and clearly again. The stillness that follows digital silence is where ideas are born, where problems find solutions, and where our creativity sparks. It's not about abandoning technology. It's about using it mindfully. Let's start with 2 sacred hours. First thing in the morning, and last thing in the evening. No phones, no emails, no news. Just you and your day. This practice will slow the inputs so you can awaken the output of your inner clarity. It might seem like a simple shift, but it's transformative. What is the first sound your mind hears in the morning, most likely from your phone? It has become the soundtrack of our mornings, but at what cost? The constant barrage of notifications and messages can leave us feeling overwhelmed, even before we start our day. Instead, consider this. What if the first sound your mind hears is not the jarring ring of an alarm or the frantic buzz of notifications, but the gentle whisper of dawn? Picture this. You wake up with the sunrise, not to the insistent demand of an alarm. You sit quietly, observing the first light of dawn. You might listen to the birds or the quiet rustle of leaves outside. You could meditate or reflect on your breath. This is how monks start their day, embracing silence to center themselves before the world awakens. By doing so, they set the tone for a peaceful day ahead. In the first hour of the day, they don't pick up their phone or check emails. They spend time alone, sometimes in meditation or prayer, sometimes in simple acts of service, like cleaning the temple or preparing food. This period of solitude is sacred, a time to connect with their inner selves before engaging with the external world. So why not try it yourself? Wake up early, even just 15 minutes before your usual time, and spend that time in silence. Don't check your phone, don't read the news, don't speak. Just be. As the writer C.S. Lewis said, we live in a world starved for solitude, silence, and true inwardness. Let us begin with the first habit. 1. The habit of conscious breathing. In the everyday chaos, we often find ourselves swept away in a whirlwind of emotions and reactions. Our mind, untrained in the art of pausing, tends to leap into action, or worse, remain stuck in loops of worry and doubt. But the secret to awakening lies within you all along. Quite literally, it is in your breath. The breath is the bridge between the body and the mind. It is the point where you can choose to respond rather than react. Just 3 deep breaths before you respond to a message. Before you speak into existence, those fateful words can completely change your emotional response. It anchors you to the present moment, allowing you to engage more consciously with the world around you. Now, practice this 1-minute mindful breathing. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any tension, thoughts, or distractions. For 1 minute, just breathe. Feel the coolness of the air as it touches your nostrils and the warmth of your breath as it leaves. This is your anchor to presence. This is how you awaken your mind. Now let's continue our journey with the second habit. 3. The habit of digital fasting. In our hyper-connected world, we're often bombarded with a constant stream of information, from emails to social media notifications. For the habit of gratitude before meals, it's easy to approach a meal as a routine, a mere refueling stop in our busy lives. 5. The habit of saying no. Saying yes has become our reflex. 6. The habit of nature connection. 7. The habit of intentional speech. In a world where words can wound or words can heal, wouldn't it be wonderful to cultivate a habit of intentional speech? In the end, my friends, the mind doesn't awaken through force.